I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Form 26qb is the online challenge used by buyers to deposit 1% TDS for immovable property transfers, where consideration is Rs 50, 00, 000 or more. The obligation applies to the buyer, who must deduct 1% from the purchase consideration at the time of payment or transfer. You need the buyer PAN and seller PAN, full agreed consideration, property details, and the transaction date. No TAN is required for the buyer. Keep bank details ready for net banking or debit card payment when you proceed to the portal. Begin by calculating 1% of the agreed sale consideration and prepare details: property address, sale date, buyer PAN, seller PAN, and contract value. Go to the official Form 26qb e-filing portal, enter the transaction data carefully, then select Challenge 281 and the payment mode, typically net banking or debit card. Complete the payment for the exact 1% amount plus any bank charges, then download the auto-generated 26qb challenge receipt. The portal will display a 26qb reference and payment confirmation for records. Once the 1% TDS payment and Form 26qb submission succeed, the system forwards details to the Traces portal, and the seller can download Form 16b as the TDS certificate. File 26qb within 30 days from the end of the month in which TDS was deducted to avoid late deposit consequences. Retain the 26qb reference number and payment receipt. If a data error occurs, use the online correction workflow or contact the e-filing help desk with your receipt and transaction reference to amend details promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.